Hello and welcome. In this short video, we will walk you through how to add your patients to the ChartNeo professional portal so that your team can collaborate effectively to support your patients in their charting journey and their clinical evaluation. The first step is to send an invite, and there are several ways to do this. The icon Invite a Client is the first option. So click on the Invite Client. And this will prompt you to input the patient or the client's email address. Once the email address is sent, your patient will receive an invite that will prompt them through the next steps. So on the back end, we can look at what an invitation looks like from the patient or client perspective. So here's the email that your patient or client will receive. Welcome to Cycle Charting. This is the email that your client or patient will receive, and our mock clinic here is yet another test physician. So insert the name of your clinic or practice. When they receive this email, they are invited to join. So join yet another test physician. Again, this is your practice or business. Once the client clicks the link, they will be taken to the login where they log into the same account that they have on their phone with your app, but this is the portal side. The client or patient is now taken to a screen asking, do you want to connect your account to yet another test physician? Again, this is our mock name. Your business or practice name will be in that portion of the screen. So when the client joins, they will be able to share their access so that their chart information is shared with the professional, and their intake form can be viewed by the professional. So professional can complete session notes for the patient and can communicate via the secure message center. Now, as the ChartNeo professional, you have the ability to enable or disable that secure messaging feature. So after they have agreed to the terms and services, they accept, and they are now pending request to join your ChartNeo professional portal. So now your email or your administrator will receive an email saying you have a pending chart sharing request from a client. To view and accept the invitation, please visit the link within 5 days and log in with your ChartNeo account. So you accept the invitation by clicking the button. You log into your professional portal. Now that you're logged in, you can accept the invitation. And with this sharing invitation accepted, you can give the client a nickname. As best practice, it's best to use the same client identification process that you use in your practice or business. So if they have a patient ID number, you would put that here. And then right underneath that, there's a little box that says allow client to message you. This, when clicked, allows access to the secure messaging center. So if that is a framework in which you're working, you would click this button. If you are not allowing secure messaging, you would leave it unchecked. This can be added or removed at any time. And then you hit finish. And the client is now successfully onboarded into the ChartNeo professional portal. You have access to their chart. So we just walked you through manually inviting a patient by sending an email invitation. Another option is to go into the settings and grab the invitation link. So click Settings. You scroll all the way down, and there's a client invitation code. You can copy this. So now that you have the URL copied, you can embed this into your onboarding material. You can create a QR code out of it. You can maximize your workflow by allowing the client invitation to be part of your client onboarding or patient onboarding process. So here you have the client invitation code. Unlike the process we just walked you through, where you are individually inviting by sending a request to the patient email, this is a universal code that can be embedded into your onboarding documents. You can also create a QR code from this URL. So this allows for streamlining the process to invite your patients to connect their ChartNeo app to your ChartNeo professional portal. So there are two simple ways to onboard your patients into the ChartNeo professional portal. Number one, by clicking the yellow invite a client icon. And number two, going into your settings, grabbing that URL link and embedding it into your onboarding materials. We hope that this streamlined process works for your unique workflow and helping bring on your clients who are charting their cycle with ChartNeo so that you can evaluate and incorporate their chart into your clinical evaluation.